Welcome to StocksMon. Today I am going to show you guys a new scalping day trading strategy using the volume indicator. Requirements. Requirement number one. You will need to have the volume indicator with buyers and sellers info enabled. Requirement number two. You will need the level 2 information enabled. Requirement number three. Make sure to have your hotkeys set up. For example, my hotkeys are shift+A is my buy as, shift+B is my sell the bid, shift+f is my flatten. Requirement number four, best to use the strategies on large cap companies, for example, Tesla or Apple. Requirement number five, best when the stocks has news and trending to one direction on the 15-minute chart. Requirement number six, use this together with trend lines. On the 1-minute chart, we will monitoring the volume bars to see how it is moving. For buy rules, when there are more buyers shown in the volume chart, for example, the volume bar is all green or there is little red at the bottom, we will buy at the next minute bar. If the volume bar is above its average, this is even better, an even stronger signal to buy. We will sell when we see more sellers are coming in. For example, when the red is going over the middle point of the bar. If the volume bar is still all green or with more buyers than sellers, we will wait for the next minute bar to determine to sell or not. We will use the level 2 information to determine when to buy as well. For example, if you are seeing all green and price is increasing, we will buy. For sell rules, we do the opposite of the buy rules.